Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to download ChatGPT. First of all, open a browser and type here install ChatGPT for Windows and open this link here, scroll down and here you'll find this option ChatGPT Windows. So click here and you will get this ChatGPT installer. So all you have to do is just double click on it and follow instructions to install ChatGPT on your Windows laptop. As you can see, I successfully installed the ChatGPT software on my Windows laptop, and then you will be able to create an account. Also, you'll be able to log in into your ChatGPT account from here. So that's how you can download ChatGPT in Windows laptop. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.